All right, let's talk about the body weight squat jump. Get your feet into the same position that you squat with. And on the way down, I don't want you to go super, super low because you're gonna lose tightness. So go about parallel down, so about thighs parallel to the ground. Jump, and then catch yourself softly on the landing. That's gonna be the important thing. If you can get a rhythm going down and up, that's gonna be good, but focus on a soft landing, land like a cat. So, notice I'm not going super low, go as low as you can, staying tight.